The Lenovo ThinkPad, Carbon X1 Gen 13, ASUS ProArt P16, MSI Creator M16 HX, Lenovo Legion Pro 5 Gen 8, and Lenovo ThinkPad P16s Gen 2 are the most popular laptops for AutoCAD of 2025, but which is the absolute best? We are going to compare them to each other and score them in various categories, with some categories holding more weight than others. In the end, we'll decide which is the best one based on the final score, and we will declare the absolute winner. Let's dive in. First, we are going to compare them on the performance category, which has a multiplier of 2. The Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 13 comes with Intel's Core Ultra 200V processors, which deliver improved performance while maintaining excellent battery efficiency. But I found it to be more suited for business tasks rather than heavy workloads. While testing it, I noticed the integrated NPU handles AI tasks smoothly, though it lacks dedicated graphics for intensive tasks. 6 out of 10. The ASUS ProArt P16 impressed me with its AMD Ryzen AI 9 HX 370 CPU featuring 12 cores and 24 threads. And during my Photoshop sessions, it achieved an outstanding score of 8,279 on Puget Bench. I particularly enjoyed how smoothly it handled creative applications, though I noticed it could perform better in some general computing tasks. 8 out of 10. The MSI Creator M16 HX packs a powerful punch with its Core i9 14900 HX and RTX 4070 configuration. And during my testing, it handled everything I threw at it with ease. However, I was disappointed by the lack of Thunderbolt 4 ports, which limited some of my connectivity options. 7 out of 10. The Lenovo Legion Pro 5 Gen 8 achieved impressive frame rates in my gaming tests, hitting nearly 70 frames per second in Cyberpunk 2077 with ray tracing enabled. While testing, I noticed the cooling system gets quite loud under load, but the performance remains consistently strong throughout intensive tasks. 8 out of 10. The Lenovo ThinkPad P16s Gen features the efficient AMD Ryzen 7 Pro 7840U with integrated Radeon 780M graphics that matches the performance of an RTX 2050. And during my testing, it handled professional applications remarkably well. I found it particularly impressive how it outperforms the NVIDIA T550 in professional graphics applications while maintaining a quieter operation. 7 out of 10. The ASUS ProArt P16 and Lenovo Legion Pro 5 Gen 8 share the performance crown with 8 points each, the ProArt excelling in creative workloads with its impressive benchmark scores, while the Legion Pro 5 delivers outstanding gaming performance with its robust graphics capabilities. Next, we are going to compare them on the display quality category, which has a multiplier of 1.5. The Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 13 features a stunning 14-inch OLED panel with a 2.8K resolution and 120Hz refresh rate, delivering incredible color accuracy with 100% DCI-P3 coverage and 400 nits of brightness. While the display quality is exceptional, I found the bezels to be extremely thin, which forced Lenovo to compromise on webcam quality. 8 out of 10. The ASUS ProArt P16 comes with a gorgeous 4K OLED panel that produces vibrant colors with perfect blacks and stunning contrast, making it ideal for content creation. However, the 60Hz refresh rate feels limiting, and the glossy panel is quite reflective in bright environments. 9 out of 10. The MSI Creator M16 HX sports a 16-inch QHD Plus display with a blazing fast 240Hz refresh rate, but I found the screen brightness to be quite limiting when working outdoors, and the sun glare made it challenging to use in bright conditions. 7 out of 10. The Lenovo Legion Pro 5 Gen 8 features a 16-inch IPS display with 2560 by 1600 resolution and 165Hz refresh rate that hits a sweet spot between speed and resolution, though the middling brightness makes it unsuitable for gaming in direct sunlight. 8 out of 10. The Lenovo ThinkPad P16 Gen 2 comes with a stunning 4K plus IPS panel that gets incredibly bright at nearly 800 nits, making it perfect for outdoor use, and its excellent reflection handling means you'll only struggle with dark content. The outstanding color accuracy and 100% DCI-P3 coverage make it a creator's dream. 9 out of 10. The ThinkPad P16 Gen 2 and ASUS ProArt P16 share the crown for display quality with 9 points each, the P16 Gen 2 winning with its incredible brightness and reflection handling, while the ProArt P16 conquers with its perfect OLED blacks and stunning contrast. Next, we are going to compare them on the portability category, which has a multiplier of 1.5. The Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 13 absolutely blew me away with its incredibly light weight of just 980 grams, making it the lightest laptop in our comparison today. And I love how I can easily hold it with one hand while presenting to clients. The slim carbon fiber construction and magnesium alloy chassis provide excellent durability without adding bulk, though the ultra-thin design means some ports had to be sacrificed. 8 out of 10. When testing the ASUS ProArt P16, I was impressed by its minimalistic matte black chassis and sophisticated design, though it's noticeably heavier than the X1 Carbon. The anodized nano black colorway looks stunning in professional settings, but I found myself wishing it was a bit more portable for frequent travel between client meetings. 6 out of 10. The MSI Creator M16 HX packs powerful hardware into its frame, but I noticed it's quite bulky compared to other Creator laptops in our lineup. While the build quality is solid, I found myself leaving it at the office more often than not due to its size and weight, making it less ideal for mobile creators. 5 out of 10. During my time with the Lenovo Legion Pro 5 Gen 8, I immediately noticed its substantial heft and large footprint, which made it challenging to carry around. The aluminum chassis feels premium and durable, but I struggled to fit it comfortably in my regular laptop bag, making it more suitable as a desk-bound workstation. 4 out of 10. The Lenovo ThinkPad P16s Gen impressed me with its relatively lightweight design for a workstation, striking an excellent balance between portability and performance. While not as featherlight as the X1 Carbon, I found it comfortable to carry during my daily commute, and its sober, stripped-back design makes it perfect for professional environments. 7 out of 10. The Lenovo ThinkPad X. One Carbon Gen 13 takes the crown in portability with 8 points, thanks to its incredibly lightweight design at under 1 kilogram and professional-grade durability that doesn't compromise on mobility. Next, we are going to compare them on the storage capacity category, which has a multiplier of 1.5. The ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 13 comes with a single drive configuration, which feels quite limiting for a premium laptop, though the PCIe 4.0 SSD ensures blazing fast data transfers for the files you can fit. While working with large CAD files, I found myself constantly managing storage space. 6 out of 10. The ASUS ProArt P16 impressed me with its 2TB PCIe 4.0 SSD that handled my massive project files without breaking a sweat, though I wish it had a secondary drive option for even more flexibility. The storage speed was consistently reliable during my intensive CAD sessions. 8 out of 10. The MSI Creator M16 HX brings versatility with dual M, 2 slots supporting both PCIe Gen 4 and Gen 5 SSDs, which gave me plenty of room to expand when needed. I particularly enjoyed the flexibility of being able to add a second drive later, making this a future-proof choice. 9 out of 10. The Legion Pro 5 Gen 8 comes with a PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD that delivers incredibly fast read speeds, and I found the loading times for my CAD projects to be impressively quick. The storage is user-replaceable, which meant I could easily upgrade it when I needed more space. 8 out of 10. The ThinkPad P16s Gen supports up to 2 terabytes of SSD storage, and during my testing, the speeds were more than adequate for handling multiple CAD projects simultaneously. The ability to configure it with such a large amount of storage right from the start meant I never had to worry about running out of space. 9 out of 10. The MSI Creator M16 HX and ThinkPad P16s Gen share the crown in storage capacity with 9 points each, thanks to their impressive combination of capacity options and expansion capabilities that make them perfect for storage-hungry CAD work. Finally, we are going to compare them on the battery life category, which has a multiplier of 1.5. The Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 13 claims an impressive 18 hours of video playback, but in real-world testing with productivity apps and moderate brightness, I found it lasting around 8 to 12 hours, which is quite respectable for its ultra-slim design. While the battery life is solid, I noticed the fans tend to run constantly when charging, which can be a bit annoying. 8 out of 10. The ASUS ProArt P16 really surprised me with its stamina, managing around 8.5 hours of web browsing and 11 hours of video playback, which is impressive considering its powerful hardware and high-resolution OLED display. The battery life drops significantly under heavy workloads, but for a creator-focused laptop, it strikes a good balance between performance and endurance. 7 out of 10. The MSI Creator M16 M16 HX was a major disappointment in terms of battery life, as I could barely squeeze out an hour of use even with basic tasks, and it drained even faster with the brightness turned up. While it's incredibly powerful, you'll need to keep this machine plugged in at all times, which severely limits its portability. 3 out of 10. The Lenovo Legion Pro 5 Gen 8 managed just 4 hours and 38 minutes in basic web browsing, and when gaming, you're looking at under an hour of battery life. Despite its gaming focus, the battery life is still below average, even for basic productivity tasks, making it essentially a desk-bound machine. 4 out of 10. The ThinkPad P16 Gen struggled to reach even 3 hours of battery life during simple tasks like attending meetings, and even with power-saving features enabled, I couldn't push it beyond that mark. The powerful components and 4K OLED display take their toll on battery life, making this workstation practically unusable without a power outlet nearby. 2 out of 10. The Lenovo ThinkPad X. One Carbon Gen 13 takes the crown with 8 points, offering the best balance of battery life in its class while maintaining impressive performance for its ultra-portable design. The results of our comparison show each product shines in its own way, but the ASUS ProArt P16 stands out with its score of 61. Throughout my time using the ASUS ProArt P16, its performance capabilities became clear, especially during demanding creative tasks. Its AMD Ryzen AI 9 processor and striking 4K OLED display perfectly cater to anyone in the creative industry, offering both power and precision. Despite some limited refresh rates and reflection issues, the impressive display quality and reliable storage capacity make it hard to beat. The ProArt P16 balances performance, storage, and display beautifully, making it the best choice for professionals who crave high-quality creative experiences. As for the other contenders, each has its own unique strengths. The Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 13, with a respectable score of 57, impressed me with its excellent portability and battery life, making it a strong option for those needing an ultralight mobile workstation. Meanwhile, the MSI Creator M16 HX, though lagging behind with a score of 50, offers commendable storage flexibility and high performance, but falls short on battery life. The Lenovo Legion Pro 5 Gen 8 follows closely with a score of 52, combining great gaming performance with strong overall capacity. Finally, the ThinkPad P16s Gen 2 impresses with its storage options and performance, scoring 4.5, but its battery life leaves much to be desired for on-the-go users. Each laptop shines in different areas, so choosing one ultimately depends on which features align with your specific needs.